Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Whirlpool refrigerator ice maker suddenly stops making ice, starts acting inconsistently, or the ice tray stays empty longer than expected, doing a reset may help refresh everything. Sometimes the ice maker works one day and suddenly stops the next, while other times ice production slows down without any clear reason. A situation like this can happen because of temporary system glitches, water flow interruptions, or settings inside the refrigerator simply needing a quick refresh. Before assuming something major is wrong with the appliance, there are a few simple things worth trying because many ice maker issues can improve after a reset. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to reset a Whirlpool refrigerator ice maker. Try these. Step 1. Open the Whirlpool refrigerator ice maker area and check if ice feels stuck or blocked. Step 2. Find the reset button on the Whirlpool refrigerator ice maker if your model includes one. Step 3. Press and hold the reset option on the Whirlpool refrigerator ice maker briefly. Step 4. Confirm water supply connected to the Whirlpool refrigerator ice maker stays turned on properly. Step 5. Close the Whirlpool refrigerator and give the ice maker time to refresh settings. Step 6. Check the Whirlpool refrigerator ice maker later and confirm ice production starts again normally.